Hey guys, this is a quick video just to show you that $20 coin that came out from Canadian Mint. It's the Looney Tunes one. It's pretty cool. The package that it comes in is this one. It's just a regular package. You get that on your mail. Then you will get, well, depending how many you bought, you will get these things. Okay, so I bought 3, so it means I get 3 of these plus 1, and that one will have all your coins. So since I bought 3, they're all 3 there. Then you can take these out. Okay, and you can put them back in. That's it. So this is the coin. It's a pretty nice coin, silver. Now we'll obviously will not take it out of the package. I'm gonna leave it just like that. It's a $20 coin for 20 bucks. Pretty good deal, especially for Looney Tunes. Since it had Bugs Bunny on it, I had to get it for sure. And that's one of the reasons as well why I bought it, and I bought 3 of them. The shipping time took around 2 weeks, so it did take quite a bit, but I'm happy with it. And yes, that's it for this video, guys. Just a quick unboxing so you guys can take a quick look of the coin, and that's it. Anyways, if you guys have any questions, comments, you can write them below, and don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.